In this video, I will show you 3 practical cases on how to read password in Bash. So let's get started. In the first case, I will show you how to read password from user prompt. So let's see how it works. For this method, I have already created a script named prompt.sh. Now I will explain the code. Here I have started with the shebang line as usual. Then I have taken a user prompt, which is will ask the user to enter his or her password. Next I have written an echo statement to move to the next line in the terminal. Then I have taken another user prompt, which is the username from the user, and next it will print the password in the terminal, and followed by that it will add the new user in the Linux system using the user add command. Lastly, I have written a if-else statement which will check whether the user has been successfully added or not. The condition it checks is the exit status of the user add command. If the exit status is equals to 0, then the user has been successfully added, meaning the user add command was successfully run. Else, the user add command gave some error and it failed to add the new user. Now let's see how the output works. Now it's time to execute the script. So I'll use the bash interpreter to execute the script. Now you can enter your password. And I'll enter username, for example, user 5. Let's see if it works or not. The user 5 is successfully added to the system. In the second case, I will talk about how to read password without showing it to the user. So let's see how it works. For this example, I have already created a script named hiddenpass.sh. Here I have started with the shebang line, then I have taken a user prompt, which is the password of the user. Here I have used the S option, which will take the user prompt securely, meaning it won't show to the user. Next, I have taken the username as the next prompt, which will ask the user to enter his or her username. Similarly, and it will print the password in the terminal, but it won't show because the password is secured. And then the user add command has been run, which will add the username to the Linux system. Lastly, I have used if-else statement to check whether the user has been added successfully or not. If the exit status of the user add command equals to 0, then the username will be added successfully, else it won't be added. In the third case, I will show you how to read password from a password file. So let's see how it works. For the third case, I have already created a script named filepass.sh in which it will look for a specific password in the password.txt file. I have also created the password.txt file before, which contains a list of passwords. Now let me explain the code of the filepass.sh. At first, the file is set to the password.txt file. Then I have used the command substitution and defined a variable password where it will look for passwords having the keyword Linux, and it will look the password.txt file. So therefore I have used the grep command, and also I have piped this command with the awk command to extract the password field, which is the second field. Next I have written a if-else statement which will, if the password was found, then it will print system successfully finds the password, and if the password was not found, it will print password was not found, and it will exit the code. Next, moving to the next section, then I have taken a user prompt which will ask the user to enter the username, and then it will print the password in the screen, and also use the user add command to add the new user with the username. And lastly, I have written another if-else statement which will check if the username has been added successfully or not by checking the exit status of the user add command. So that was all for this video. If you want to study further, please refer to the article provided in the description below. Also, the script files will be provided in the description to be downloaded. Thank you for watching.